All right, y'all, so we have some beef ribs right here. You can go ahead and cut one off, just like this. Beautiful. Look at that. And we move on. Okay, now we have our beautiful rib right here. We're gonna go ahead and come as close as we can to the bone. Just peel it, let it fall on its own, just like that. Not all the way down, right there. Now we're gonna go ahead and cut in this way. And we open it up and go across. Try to make a nice, even layer. Go this way. Once we get to this part right there, we open it up again, like a book. And we're gonna go with one more. Nice thin layer this way. And there we go. Beautiful. See, we have our bone here and the rest of it right there. Get that? And go ahead and place it right here. Bring that in together. We have some pork sausage, and we're gonna roll it onto some bacon strips like this. Grab that and roll. Now we bring it back this way, close it up completely. Beautiful. I'm gonna place this right here. Come through with a little salt and pepper for our steak. Quickly. Grab our little Oink Ball here, and we're gonna roll it in the center like that, all the way. Bring it like this, lay it down, and we're gonna go ahead and grab this, press it in just like that. Beautiful, nice and flat. Now we're gonna pick it up and we're gonna sear this baby right here. See, we have tied this up with some kitchen twine, and we're gonna very carefully place this down and sear it nicely like this. Now we're gonna go ahead and flip it and get our other side done. Look at that beauty. And we're not done yet. All right, now we're gonna go ahead and take this out. Now that it's beautifully seared on both sides. Check out the other side real quick. Nice. We got onions. We have garlic, a bay leaf, rosemary, and thyme. Spread that out. We're gonna give that just enough time for the onions to get nicely caramelized. And we're gonna go ahead and place it. That this is nice and ready, we're gonna go ahead and grab this back, place it in, and we're not done yet. We're gonna go ahead and add a little red wine and some beef broth, like that. And now we are off to the oven. These flavors are gonna mix in perfectly. Smells great already, and we still have 2 more hours to go in the oven. So now we're gonna go ahead and put this in here for 2 hours. We're gonna check it, and we'll be right back. Back from the oven, y'all. Check that beauty out. Let's go ahead and dig in real quick. Get this nice. Put that to the side. And let's dig in right here. Look at that. Perfectly tender.